Okay, guys, now we're working on the 1969 Opel GT. So the other ones are, that one's out there. Okay, anyways, we're working on the other Opel GTs. I have 3 other ones, if you guys don't know. If you guys are new to the channel. So, we've been, working on this one, and, just took it out for a drive, and, ran really good. It's a manual shifting too, revving it to crazy high RPM, so that was pretty fun. So we were doing about 65 at one point. But anyway, so we're gonna be we're trying to get turn signals working. And my grandpa the other day was looking in here and saw this just laying in there, the turn signal flasher relay just kind of laying in there. We're like, okay, that's not right. And so I took this little cover off, which is right here holding all this gunk in that I didn't know about. This looks like for the radio, we're thinking. And plugged this in. All of a sudden the car started going ding doo. I'm like, oh no. And the flashers are on and they would not turn off because the switch is broken over here. The switch is like, it's not right. It only is on the on position, so it's broken. And so the flashers went like on the whole time and they would not turn off. So now we're trying to drop the steering column here. There's 4 bolts, and if your GT, I guess from the factory, there's weird bolts that, or nuts or whatever they are, that don't come out. You have to like drill them out or something weird. And these ones have, thank goodness, been changed. Someone else has already dropped the column, put in regular bolts. That's good. So now we're just dropping them and show you guys what the dashboard looks like, and hopefully we can get turn signals actually working. That'd be really nice. Okay, guys, we're working on 1969 Opel GT today because we have a show next week in Springfield, Illinois, which is like 5 hours from us. So it's a pretty big deal. It's gonna be like 2,000 cars there and about 20 to 30 Opels there. So it's gonna be a pretty big deal for us. And that's like a mini Opel show inside of it. So we need to get some stuff ready for it. Today's Saturday, and so we're working on the radio now and also turn signals because we figured out the flasher switch was bad, so the hazards were stuck on there because the switch was bad. So we got a new switch line around here somewhere. I think it's in the other barn maybe. But so put that in, and then we got a radio in there, which is an old audiovox from I think 1980. Yeah, it was installed in 1980. It's that number there. where the all says, and it works. We got it working, and it fits pretty nice in here on the dashboard. So, we got the antenna set up. We got speakers back here, which are actually from a another Opel GT. The panel is, and let me show you guys these. They're Sparkomatic loud and clear. We only tested out one of them, but we're working on wiring now. And crap, you gotta take that panel back out. Shoot. But oh yeah, so pretty nice. Yeah, I guess we'll just be working on this. I'll show you guys if we get everything working, hopefully. And hopefully it should be working, because this car has to be driving by then. And we still don't have headlights in it yet, so that's fun. As I'll be back and show you guys if we do anything fun. Okay guys, so we got the gauge cluster in somehow, and we got the radio installed with knobs, and it works perfectly. As you guys can tell, so I don't get copyrighted. I get copyrighted on YouTube doing that. But same way, so it works really good, guys. The equalizer works. I can change it back and forth, and everything works amazing on it. So now we're just working. Oh my gosh, there's a massive mouse up here, Grandpa. There's a mouse nest up there, as you guys can probably maybe tell. But so we found a mouse nest on that side, so now we're like, well, let's work on the weather stripping, since just in case if it rains, because this thing leaks. So we took off we made a mess on the car. Took off the old stuff, which had the rubber seal, and this red was holding it up. Well, the new stuff is, I think in the other barn, it's all one piece, so that's really cool. And so I also got a new mirror installed. It doesn't have a big gaping hole in it, like this one over here. As you can tell, it's like really crappy looking, so I had one in my box's dash, so I did that. And everything looks pretty good. We're just wire brushing this now, just to make it nicer and stuff. So I'll show you guys what we do later. Okay guys, so we did quite a bit more. My grandpa just went to go get my cousin Grace. He could help work on it with us. So I don't know if I showed you guys this, but we got the dashboard all in. I can't remember if I showed you this or not. If I did, oh well. We got knobs for the radio. I found some in my Opel stash. So we got, it all works, turn signals work, everything work on it. Got the radio, the speakers installed, you guys probably saw. And then we also did this. Look at that. We got new seal. So found mouse nest in the headliner, and then we put new seal, got the bottom seal on, and the door's not want to close now. It's like slam it, see, it does not want to close. It does not like being closed. It's actually good. So yeah, I just finished installing the lower portion of it here. But so yeah, that's all good. And I guess I'll show you guys how good the radio works on this thing. You just go like this. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty cool. The radio works pretty good, nice on it. So I didn't want to put too much more, or else I get copyrighted probably on YouTube. But so yeah, and then I'll show you guys turn signals here. Look at this. So that one's working, and then this one up here, you can see it's flashing. That's pretty insane. Let's go the other way. And this does have an automatic like kill thing. Whenever you turn the steering wheel enough, it stops doing it, like a modern car. So, ta-da! So that's pretty insane. So we're basically almost ready for the Springfield show, guys. We are working on some more plans. I'll show you guys what's in the workshop. It's a poster from my dad. We brought over here. There's the hot rod. He hasn't really been working on that much, but that one will be getting stuff done to it. So here's our radiator fill thing that we're going to have to do for the radiator overflow thing. It's going to be from the radiator there. There's going to be our battery tied down. I need to weld up here yet. So we'll be getting around to that soon. That's our next thing. It's nice and cold in there, and it's not that hot out. It's so windy out here. But yeah, the Triumph's getting uncovered. You probably shouldn't open the doors that much, but well. So yeah, so we're basically almost ready for the show. It's next week, and we need to vacuum up the car, some more. Finish up some things yet. Clean up some things. See how my brake fluid's doing here? Doing pretty good. Oh yeah. So yeah, we just need to finish up a few things. Grandpa drove the MG. He should be coming back soon, hopefully. Cause my cousin Gray lives like a mile down the road, so. Yeah, and then we need to put parts together. Oh, and there's like a radio antenna too, so that's pretty neat. With my grandpa had it in his stash of radio stuff, so that's pretty cool. Let's straighten this out a little bit. Perfect. But see, I need to get together my parts that I'm bringing for the swap meet. It's not really a swap. It's kind of a swap meet. We're gonna have like 20. We're gonna have like 30 Opel guys there, maybe 20 Opels, and I'm also an Opel GT.com. That's what this event is kind of for. It's inside of the Route 66 Mother Road Festival show. We're gonna have like our own mini show inside of it and get together. And it's about 5 miles from us because we live in Fort Wayne, Indiana. So it's about 5 miles from us. So we're gonna get some parts together, and then we're gonna have to put the Opel in the trailer because the tires are 30 years old and don't have headlights, and it's not really street legal yet. So next year, though, we're hoping we can drive this and maybe the red Opel GT too, if we can get that running and driving maybe. That'd be pretty awesome. So we'll have to see. But this is the hauler. We got new ramps that my grandpa found at an auction for like $36. And these are like $150 ramps. They're really nice. So those should be fine instead of the super heavy metal ones that are a pain in the butt to carry, which I don't know where this went. But see, my grandpa just did a major rehaul of this trailer like last year. We got new fenders from it, from a place in Shipshewana, if you guys know where that is. He put new brake. He actually got brakes on it, so one axle actually has brakes and all that fancy stuff. He rewired it. We got trailer lights on the back, fancy. I don't think it had lights before. It had one. We got rectangle lights. Got a license plate light, which is torn apart. But he painted it all up, painted the wood. So we got all this fancy stuff, and the truck's all ready to go too. So the old Tundra. That has only like 50,000 miles on it, which is really good. Whoa, a poster just fell. Crap. That's not good. The poster just died. But see the Tundra should make it. There's the air scoop on the Opel. I know you guys like it. It's cool. I love it. So okay, I'm gonna turn you guys off and maybe get to work doing some other things. Okay, guys, if you guys can't tell, the car isn't here. It's just on the trailer. It's probably pretty dark too. It's like 7:30 at night, which here in Indiana, it's getting pretty dark out. There's the yellow car. But there it is. The beauty's all loaded up, ready for the show. Come Friday, which is when we're leaving. So, got the missile launcher antenna. Got that like that. Got the windows all rolled up. Got the keys in my pocket, so the ignition switch doesn't break somehow. I don't know. Just got the e-brake on. I got it in park, just to be the safest we can. Yeah, so it's all good. It's all tied down. I got a new gas cap in it too that actually locks. As you can tell, it's locked. That's what Opel GT gas caps do, and they're locked. They just spin on there. So it's an expensive gas cap. So I didn't want to put my other gas caps on there that don't lock. They just turn off and turn back on, because you can sell them on eBay for like $60. But this one's worth a lot more than that. Like probably, I don't know if it's worth 3 times that amount, but easily twice that amount though. And well, maybe more, maybe 4 times that amount. I don't know. I'll have to see. But so that's good. And just some minor things we have to do yet. I'm missing a bolt on the bottom of this lens right here. I need to go find right now. I should probably do that. We got the what do we call it? Chain binders on there. Everything's tight. Everything's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Exhaust looks good. We're not hitting any brake lines. We figured out a way to get out of this car. So I drove the car up on the trailer. Drove up really nice. Running really good. Just doing overall really good job. And I couldn't open the door because the fender is like a little bit. So Grandpa jacked up on the front jacking mount, which is right there. Hopefully, if you guys can tell that circle thing. And then we were able to jack up the car enough so I could get the door open and roll up the window. So instead of climbing out the door and not being able to roll up the window, because just be safe. So we did that. I want to check this too. Okay, that's pretty tight. This should be fine. Also, I didn't show you guys this. I'm mad at myself for not showing you guys this. And I forgot to take pictures of it too. Shoot. Okay. You guys probably can't see anything now. It's so dark. I'll walk out here or slide out. But I'm probably dirty too. Anyways, yeah, we just got back from dinner, so that's why. So anyways, we got the overflow bottle for the radiator on there. It's literally just a bracket that I showed you guys before. We got 4 sheet metal screws, just zipped it onto there, onto the passenger side. So like, here's the passenger side, right there, on the side of the car like this. Just zipped them onto there, made a bracket, got that on there, and filled with brake fluid. And it should be, I think, not brake fluid. I think brake fluid. With antifreeze, and it should be working. Filled the car back up with antifreeze, put some more antifreeze in the car itself, which I can't open the hood because the door is closed. So I wish I could show you guys that. Man, the radio's looking really sweet in there, as you guys probably can't tell. But so yeah, so I don't think you guys can see it from. It's right. Okay, so if you guys can tell, this is the headlight bucket right here. It's right here. It's right there. Right. Wait. Yeah, it's right here below the hood. It's right down here, and then I can feel the hose right here. So if I had a flashlight, I could probably show you guys, which I might have one. But the GoPro is about dead. Yeah. This video won't last for long. But everything works. Turn signals works. Truck's loaded up. We got new ramps. Got 2 spare tires just in case, and then got a trailer tire for the spare on the trailer. Need to air that up though. This whole day air. We need to get we got some of our tools together. Just to be safe. We need to fill this thing up with gas too. Might do that at a gas station with the Opel. And then we need to bring our parts along that we're going to try to get rid of at the show. So I'm gonna go try to find this flashlight and show you guys what the fluid reservoir looks like. Okay guys, found the flashlight. Hopefully you guys can see this. There's the bottle right down there. Hopefully you guys can see it. I honestly do not know, but that's it right there. So, that's what we were doing. Oh, I also got a battery hold down too on it. The battery, which you guys might be able to see from. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but we got a little angle clamp going on there. So we got that fixed too. So I found a flashlight. Interior looking sharp. Everything looking sharp on this thing so far. So we're good to go for the show. Now we just need to get safe travels, and I might skip school. I don't know what to see if my mom will let me skip school or not. See, my parents were supposed to be coming, and my siblings and stuff, but that's not going to happen now because they're not coming because my dad can't walk because he has a hernia disc thing from, we think, is at the gym where I'm working out. So he's supposed to come and hang out with us all, and they're all supposed to come. My mom's going to stay home with him, I think. So, oh well, they can't come. But so everyone picked me up for school. My grandparents were going to leave earlier to meet one of their relatives, or one of their, I think my mom's aunt, or no, my mom's cousin, I think, or my grandma's cousin, I think, or something like that. Meet her. But that might be changed plans, so I might skip school now and then go with it. It'll be fun anyways. It'll be fun. So if you guys, I don't know when this video will come out. Might be Monday or Tuesday. Who knows? Because today's Sunday. But I will be making a video of the show. Please come out if you guys have heard about the show. You guys should definitely come out and join us. We'll be somewhere. It'll be a whole group of Opels. There'll be probably 20 of them. We're hoping 20 Opels. And it'll be pretty fun meeting these guys. I've only talked to them online. So it'll be pretty fun meeting them all. I can't wait. And just thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to other videos. And we got a Honda Prelude SI too. I think that might be Grandpa coming. Yep. Here's Grandpa coming in the MG. You hear him downshifting. But so anyways, yeah, just thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to other videos. And we'll show Grandpa in the MG coming. There he is. Okay. See you guys later.